Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F41 smartphone. In this video, you learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset on your phone Samsung Galaxy F41. First of all, press this power button and click on power off option. It will be switched off. First step is switch off your phone and then you go to use power button and volume up button together. Just press power button and volume up button together to initiate hard reset menu. Press and hold these two buttons together for initiating hard reset. Logo appears. Just hold these two buttons until reset menu appears. Yes, reset menu has appeared here, and use volume down button to move down. Here you go to select wipe data factory reset. That is fifth option. You go to select wipe data and factory reset. For confirming, that is for entering, use power key. Press power key here and move to factory data reset and click that is press power key and reset is going on. Yes, reset has been completed now. Now you go to restart your phone. You go to use restart option in this menu. First option, restart system now, and your phone will be restarted. It will take longer time. Just you go to wait and starting on right now. Installing all applications. That is loading all applications. Pre-installed applications will be loaded. Just wait few seconds and let's go. Now you go to select the language and click on next button, and here select terms and conditions, and it will be loading, and click skip. If you want to connect, then you can use Wi-Fi, otherwise click skip. Wherever possible, click skip, and you can later set your phone. Now just enter into your phone quickly, and here accept terms and conditions from Google and click next. Click skip wherever possible. Click OK, adding the finishing touches. Just wait few seconds. Yes, please wait. Now get the recommended apps. You can unselect these apps, otherwise you can choose them and click skip now. Sign in into Samsung accounts. Click skip. Click on finish. Finally, just a second, and yes, your phone is now ready to use. Click OK. Click done, and yes, it's ready to use. Click done, and reset is completed, and your phone has set up now, and additional setups can be done later. That's all friends. Bye.